We got our pressure washer hooked up, everything laid out. Gonna get everything a good spray down, soak it up, and spray it with some degreaser. This is what I have on hand. I'm not saying it's the best, but it works. And I got my drill bit with my brush on there. We'll go through and give everything a nice scrub, and then we'll go through and pressure wash, rinse it all again, and we'll let it dry for a day or two. Then everything's got a pre-wash. I'll go through with a degreaser. Just spraying up. Once we get scrubbing on there, it'll spread it around. If you see any heavy stains, you can throw a little extra on there. For the most part, just put a nice coating on there. Like I said, once we get our brush going, we'll move it around and get in there better. Really gonna make it. Let's go ahead and lift this ball. Now we'll use our drill with our scrub brush. This one you can use an actual drill. Don't use your impact, because if you put too much pressure, it's gonna sputter out. You want it to keep its momentum. Just gonna put it on there. Probably need two hands. Like I said, I'm recording this on the phone. We're gonna do that all the way across on the sides. We're gonna do that to all these, and I'll come back when I leave off before a pre-rinse. Okay, everything's pre-soaked. Turn back on. So everything's been scrubbed now. We're just gonna pressure wash all the degreaser out. We got everything pressure washed, scrubbed and degreased. Little trick with these seat belts, get some of these clips. You can pull it all out. Then you can even pressure wash your belts and leave them out to dry. And we got a shop vac all hooked up. Gonna go in here and shop vac most of this up before we decide to rip it out to shampoo it. Makes it a little easier. You don't want to shampoo with all this crap on here. Not gonna record that because you're not gonna hear anything anyways. Inside of the Trailblazer completely gutted. Next step is removing all the trim, and we can take out this carpet. Previously I had said we couldn't do the back. This part is all one piece, so you'll need an Allen key. Just take off, it looks like 5 of these, and then this bracket, possibly the fuse box there, to pull out this whole back carpet. See how bad that is? See how black that is compared to the gray? That's how dark the seats were. So, next step is undoing everything in here, pulling out the carpet, pressure washing all this, but probably do that tomorrow or the next day.